This video is solely intended for persons in Jamaica who are interested in joining the Xpressionz YouTube family. Now, for the steps I'm about to share with you, you will need your PC, and this is your personal computer, or if I even borrow a computer, don't take the word personal too personal. Proton VPN, this is not a sponsored video, but the Proton VPN is completely free, or they actually give you 3 countries free. Also, you may be wondering why you can't just use your phone in order to join. I took those steps on my iOS device that is completely updated, and I was not able to join from my phone. However, once you become a member on your PC, you are able to enjoy the perks on your mobile device. Alright, so go ahead and follow these steps. After you have downloaded your Proton VPN, we're going to go right ahead and pull it up right here. As you can see, we're not protected, so we need to get protected right now. These are the 3 countries that you get free for this app. Don't be like me, definitely update your app if they tell you that you need to update it. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and connect to the United States. And once you're connected to the United States, the system will automatically record your payment information in USD. Alright, I'm just going to pull up YouTube. And even though we have Xpressionz all over my page, I am just going to search for them just the same so we can go through these steps together. Alright, we go on over onto their page, and you can see that bright button welcoming you, asking for you to join. So we're going to select join and go in again. You can see that it is recorded as $6.99 because you're connected to the US. If we connected to Netherlands or Japan, then the currency information would have been different. Alright, so if you have a US PayPal account, you can go ahead and use this one. I believe it should be able to work. Unfortunately, it did not work for me, and I'll insert the error for you to see it. So what you can do is just go ahead, not to worry, just go ahead and add a credit or debit card. You select buy, you put in your payment information. Please do not panic when you see the country or region here. All we need right now is a zip code. That's all they ask. If you go in and put in that 50 thing that you're used to, it will not accept it. Still, no need to worry, we just need to go on in and search for a US zip code, and you can see that they do suggest zip codes here. So you just copy from one of these, anyone, it doesn't matter, trust me. I'll copy that one. Hopefully it was copied. Let me just clear this real quick, and then I'll just go ahead and paste this information here. Ensure there's no space right there, and save the card. Once you save the card, then you see the window that pop up that prompts you to complete the step. And there you have it. You are now on the membership side of Xpressionz JA. Welcome, and go enjoy the perks. Alright, on your mobile device, you open the app and you can connect to any of the 3 free countries. And then after you have connected, you can open the YouTube app, search for Xpressionz JA so we can get to the membership content. We're going to scroll through as quickly as possible to see if we can find the members only content. And once we pull up the members only content, you can just go ahead and click, and you see that you're able to watch it restriction free. Now, I want to quickly point out that there's a quick connect option when you open the Proton VPN app, whether on your phone or on your laptop. When you select the quick connect option, it automatically connects you to Netherlands. With connecting to Netherlands, when you are over on YouTube signing up to become a member, and you get to the payment screen where it prompts you for your information, when you are connected to Netherlands, it will request that you put in a full billing address. So I will recommend that you select either United States or Japan from the list of free countries that the app offers to you.